Marut Drones collaborates with NMDC for drone-based mineral exploration in India. Marut Drones, a prominent drone manufacturer in India, has partnered with the National Mineral Development Corporation, NMDC, to introduce drone-based mineral exploration in the country. This collaboration represents a significant advancement in the field, utilizing custom-designed drones with advanced sensors to enhance precision and sustainability in mining operations. NMDC has acquired 2 custom Octacopter drones from Marut Drones, which the company says marks the initiation of drone-based mineral exploration in India. The collaboration introduces advanced sensors, including Magnetometer, Hyperspectral, and Lidar, for the first time in the country. The mineral exploration drone developed by Marut Drones features innovative aspects such as a coaxial design for stability and precise maneuverability, essential for effective mineral exploration. Mr. Prem Kumar Vislawath, CEO of Marut Drones, highlighted the importance of this collaboration, stating, "This is the first time in India where we have built a drone specifically for mineral exploration. It's an Octaquad Coaxial X8 drone, specially designed for NMDC. Every aspect of this drone, including the motors and propeller systems, has been made in India. We believe this is a significant breakthrough in the mining and exploration space. The drones are poised to transform exploration approaches, particularly in prospecting for critical minerals such as lithium, copper, gold, diamond, rare earth elements, and other essential minerals." NMDC's adoption of drone-based hyperspectral magnetic exploration, calibrated by Marut Drones, marks a notable shift in data acquisition and processing methods. The collaboration between Marut Drones and NMDC is set to modernize mineral prospecting, making magnetic surveys faster and more cost-effective. The technology enables drones to fly closer to the surface, improving data collection resolution and enhancing the efficiency and affordability of surveys. This initiative is expected to bring about a transformation in mineral prospecting methods, particularly in greenfield deposits, potentially revitalizing mineral discoveries in the country. Marut Drones' commitment to using made-in-India components underscores the potential of indigenous technology in advancing sustainable mining practices. Marut Drones, established in 2019 by 3 IIT graduates, is a leading drone technology manufacturer in India. The collaboration with NMDC signifies a noteworthy moment in the integration of technology and mineral exploration, paving the way for future advancements in sustainable mining practices.